So to replace the pump tubing, first we're going to do is unlock the pump clip. Push up to unlock it. Take the tubing and we pull it forward to get it out. Okay. Disconnect the tubing from the ends. We get a new pump tube. Yep. We get a new pump tube. Make sure that we stretch the tube slightly because it's sitting for a long time. It will get stiff. Reconnect the ends. So I'm going to make sure that when it's replaced, that the tubing that's coming from the electrode chamber gets connected to the top of the pump. Insert that there, wrap the tubing around so that's in place.
Give it a twirl.
Yep. Give it a twirl, as Serge said. Lock the pump clip in place, and it's replaced.